These are some of the Australian children under lockdown in China.
To see Daddy and play with my friends at the new school.
Parents are desperate to have them brought home, and the Morrison government is now trying to get Australian citizens out. Once China gives the green light, a chartered Qantas plane will be flown into the city of Wuhan as part of its evacuation plan.
I stress there is a rather limited window here, and we are moving very, very swiftly to ensure that we can put this plan together and put the operation together.
The government wants to help the elderly and young children first.
Our focus in this proposed assisted departure is on supporting isolated and vulnerable Australian citizens.
The government says Australian citizens who normally live in Wuhan will not be part of the evacuation. Evacuees will be flown to quarantine on Christmas Island until they're given the all clear. The first Japanese nationals evacuated from Wuhan landed in Tokyo today.
Everyone was relieved and at the same time very exhausted.
The US is bringing home its Wuhan-based diplomats and their families.
There'll be no interaction between the arriving diplomats and citizens and our regular passengers or staff.
Hong Kong is stepping up its controls. It's halving flights from the mainland, suspending all ferry services and closing half its border checkpoints with the mainland. Permits for individual visitors from mainland China will also be cut.
These measures will reduce the number of mainlanders coming to Hong Kong.
The evacuation plan comes despite the World Health Organization saying foreign nationals should stay to prevent spreading the virus further. And we've spoken to several Australians in Wuhan today who are shocked by the Christmas Island plan. They fear inadequate medical facilities if there's an outbreak on the island, with some saying they might be better off to stay in Wuhan to try to wait things out. Bill Birtles, ABC News, Beijing.